There's the garbage man getting the garbage. Poor guys, we always have so much garbage.
Huh?
I said those poor guys, we always have so much garbage. So this is the day in the life. Oh look, there's the moon. So we're going into New York City after the whole debacle about the French consulate not giving my mother a visa. Oh, is that Rob?
Rob.
Hey! Robert Strash. And so we're going to go to the bank, deposit some checks, and then we're going to get on the ferry, and we're going to go to the Staten Island ferry and get on the Staten Island ferry and go over to New York City, to Manhattan. So we're going to go get some cash and deposit some checks, and you can do this all through the drive-thru. No need to go into the bank.
Okay. Get as close as possible.
And for some reason in America here, they make them so high up. They make them, I think they design them for trucks. You know, if you're sitting in a truck or a car that's really tall, so we can.
Service.
No way. Oh come on! There's all the ferries.
Okay, where shall we park?
Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, this is just a way to pay with your debit card, and it's approved. I need to print a receipt. So we're waiting for the ferry.
Hi, how you doing?
And of course this ferry is free. They stopped taking tolls for this in 1997. Perfect. Nice and breezy. It's the next ferry passing by the Statue of Liberty. They look like flies or something. It's the ramp. And we've been standing behind a rope.
Passengers must depart the ferry at this time. Passengers wishing to make the return trip.
Okay, cool, let's go. So we're in a cab and we are going to the Egyptian consulate on 2nd Avenue and East 59th Street. That was the best cab ride ever, thank you. So quick. And worth every penny. Thanks, you can keep the change. Thanks. Okay, so that was the best cab ride ever. And he got us here in about 5 minutes, which is just unbelievable. So the Consulate General of Egypt. This way. Okay, so we've just come out of the Egyptian consulate in New York City. What a pleasure. How unlike the French consulate, which was the worst nightmare ever. Very professional, very friendly. It just took a few minutes for us to give them all the paperwork, and they told us to come back at 1 o'clock. So
they don't look at you like you're a criminal.
yes, they don't treat you like you're a criminal, which is absolutely ridiculous. So anyway, so we're very excited because we'll see at 1 o'clock, and it's honestly, what is the time? It must be like 10:20 or something, or 10:30 in the morning. So our morning has gone very well so far. Oh. Okay, well this is very cool. I'm using Google Maps on my iPhone to find La Paine, which is one of our favorite places when we come to New York to eat, because they know that like hot chocolate drink, which I love. So it is 10 minutes walk and half a mile. So you can see the little blue dot there, that's us, and that's our starting point. So off we go. What to have, what to have. Okay, so here is why we come to this place. This is the sole reason. Now watch you stir it up. How great is that? And it's in a bowl, so you drink it. Oh, it's heaven. Oh, this is the these are the best.
Belgian praline.
Yes, yes.
Chocolate with a hazelnut spread.
No, that's just chocolate. That's hazelnut.
Saying this is the one with the hazelnut.
There's oh, I see. No sour, whatever. Wow, this is so delicious. Like, these things are incredibly good. And of course their jams or preserves are really good. Oh, very nice. And this one, the 4 fruits.
25. We'll get 2 pound chocolate.
Lovely. And if anyone's on a diet and wants something tasty, they have the mini tarts, which are bite size.
Just a mouthful.
Stuff is so good. We've never had a bad meal here. And I've been to about 10 of these things. What is, oh, lemon tarts.
Yeah. You know how much you and I love lemon.
I know. Okay, thank you, La Paine. We love it, love it, love it. Okay, so, yes, energy. So now we're heading to, back to well, we're going to go to Bloomingdale's, and then we're going to head back to the consulate, the Egyptian consulate, to see if our visas have been approved. I'm pretty sure they're going to be approved. Okay, so we are shopping in Bloomingdale's, and we're going to check out Coach.
That's the one I want, the brown one at the top.
Really? The brown one? But you wanted the grey one?
Or the grey one.
So nice. Look at that huge Audrey. There's the Louis Vuitton. Let's go there. Okay. I believe they get commission. So they have to try really, really hard. And then of course there's Louis. Oh, there's Longchamp as well. Oh, I wonder if they have the Tivoli. How cool is that?
That's quite a nice looking style.
Yes.
I like that style bag.
juice are never full. It's a small one.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just left Bloomingdale's. We didn't buy anything, but we may very well go back and buy this because this is absolutely beautiful. It's Gucci's Guilty. It's like Batman when he's in the Bat Cave. She's in the Pigeon Cave. We are absolutely thrilled. Thank you to the Consulate General of Egypt. And there's the visa stamped on my passport with your long name. And so we're thrilled. Now we can go to Egypt. Yes. No. Hello. Can we go to the Museum of Natural History? Woo, it's nice and cool in here. Okay, so it's time for a beverage and a snack. And these are called dirty potato chips. Cracked pepper and sea salt. I actually don't like kettle cooked chips though, so I don't know. I thought it was regular chips, but I'll try it. And of course, Coca-Cola. It's actually a can. Ew, I know this is the Natural History Museum, but I don't see the need to eat chocolate-covered insects.
No, me neither.
Insecticide candy. Ew.
The clouds disappear.
Hello. Hello. Could we please go to Bleecker Street? I want to go to Magnolia Bakery, so it's West 11th and Bleecker. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Time for some cupcakes. Two. Thanks. So, okay, so we're back here at the ferry terminal building after a long and busy day. And we didn't actually eat our cupcakes because when we sat down at the park, there was some creepy guy who was drunk and they were smoking something really weird. It's like, I've never seen anything like that before, so he was just yelling and drunk and it was very unpleasant, so we just decided to come home and to come back and get on the ferry. We just made it. He's closing the door. We had to run. He's just loading up now for the 5:30 ferry. We are now at a rest stop and we're gonna go and get something for dinner because we didn't get to eat our cupcakes and we haven't eaten since 11:30 this morning, since I had my little buffalo mozzarella tartine. So here you have Cinnabon, which is delicious. How much does this hold? Like a bloody gallon of Coke. And this is insane. It's a long trip drink. I mean, I love Coke, but not that much. And there's Nathan's hot dogs and Arthur Treach's fish and chips. It's about 6:30, 6:45 in the evening. And we've had a very long day, done lots of things, we're exhausted. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, let me know. Comment below. Good night.